Okay, so I have this trimmed. I have the edges trimmed off. This is the panel we just mounted a second ago on the CWT. I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and then I'll show you a couple of quick features of this particular panel saw. I love this thing. I'm going to roll this in. Obviously it's our saw, but I've also got a cutting blade here. And so that's a lock. I'll just go ahead and put those aside, and then I'll do my 24-inch cuts momentarily. A lot faster than laying it on the table, lining it up, and dealing with everything you got to deal with that. Nice straight cut. Last one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set up. Katie, if you'll come over to this side here with that video camera. I want to take a quick look at the cutting system. So the cutting system here consists of this little cartridge. Quickly and easily, you change the blades, take these screws off, and these blades are sold in sets. There's also an attachment for a roller that cuts alupanel. It will cut through alupanel, thinner alupanel. It'll also help you with your V-cuts and everything if you want to do bends on alupanel. There's also an attachment that's sold with this that scores your Lexan and plexiglass, any kind of glass you want to cut. So pretty nice to be able to cut those things off that way. I'm going to go ahead and insert that in for my next cuts. Next thing we'll do real quick is just show you setting up for our template for our cuts. What I like to do is I have a mark at 24 inches on this backing board here. So I'm just going to go ahead and park this stop, and we all understand stops and how they work, and so I don't need to say too much about it. So there's my stop. Coming back now with the signs that I cut apart in just a minute. Go to the stop. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I put the stop in here wrong. It's not wide enough to stop. Let's turn and fix it. So now I can pull down to the stop. I don't know, it's because I'm doing a video, I probably ended up with some issues. So if you'll zero in right here, notice I could actually do this by eye and cut to this line right here. You can see the razor blades are hitting the line, but also the stop is lining me up in that same spot. So, and we just rip through these. So sometimes I'll do 20, 30, 40 signs, get them all mounted, get them all trimmed, and then just kind of make all similar cuts. So I'll just walk across these. Again, this would be the process. Get the stop right on the line. And that's kind of a quick overview of the system. Table's great for not only mounting pieces. We mount huge signs. We mount signs longer than the table actually on there because we just continue to roll them out onto another table. We open the door and roll it out. Also can pull hem and banner really fast. I can lay a banner out here, just pull down right in front of it on the tape, and it perfectly makes a hem way better than you'll ever make it with a squeegee. So that's kind of the CWT table and how it works. Hope that helps you. Call if you have any questions.